the annual ocean cleanup at Deerfield Beach Pier. It's going to be pretty epic.
You guys are registered. You are registered. Just go get your shirt.
Never seen so many divers in one place. Donuts. Those guys are ready. They're ready. They look ready to clean up some stuff. Crazy busy. Excuse me. Oh, hey Scott. What's up, bud? You ready to go clean some stuff up? Have you ever seen so many divers in all your life?
World record.
World record. Guinness Book.
2019.
It's right here. It's right now. It's getting kind of busy out here.
It seems to be that the majority of the action happening over by the registration tent. Bit of a bottleneck coming in.
It's getting busier. Everybody getting ready to go. It's getting busy officially here at the ocean cleanup. It's going to be about 700 divers here by the time it's all done. The goal is obviously ocean cleanliness and everything else in between. Teams from all over the state of Florida and beyond. I don't know why they don't do this more often.
Alright guys, gather in! Which way are we facing? Who knows? Everybody face a different direction, someone will be right.
Here we go, 2019 World Record. Divers, save the turtles, respect the oceans. Yeah! Drones! You ready to go, Scott?
We're ready.
Cleaning oceans for today. That's what we're doing. Cleaning oceans. Whew. Excuse me, is this the line for the ocean?
Yes, it is.
All right, we're good. You ready to party?
Yeah, can we get the guy that's counting us? Oh, this cow, buddy. You got this.
We can do it together. We can do it together. That's right. We'll be right back.
Goes to go to the north side of the pier. See if anybody else is focusing on the south side.
I think we're ready here. We're definitely ready here.
made it.
That was pretty epic. Time has come. Looks like we're getting ready to do the announcement here.
Get in there, Dave. Get all those lights off.
Was it worth it?
Number one!
It was totally worth it.
Saving fucking turtles, man.
That's right, saving the turtles. You know how much fishing line we took off of that thing? It was crazy. What's up, man?
Hey, buddy.
You're famous. Famous here. That's right. World famous. World famous. The world record holder. High five. World record holders. That's what we're talking about. Great success. Great success.